Today, we're having an outdoor learning session at Aston Hotel in Batu. Let's see what it's like. This is my journey on the bus. I usually eat some snack, but I think I'm gonna drink some chocolate milk from my little journal.
Waalaikumsalam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam. Not only to Muslim.
This is some students and my friends are trying to do some exercise.
Restocking food. Well, the grasshopper doesn't have anything, so he feels cold, hungry, and also he doesn't have anything to be bound.